This now Real Foods Xanthan Gum is a thickening agent. It's used a lot of times in things like gravies and sauces. What I use it for is for gluten-free baking. It's a key component in lots of gluten-free baking recipes because it offers some binding for gluten-free flours since there's no gluten. So this bottle opens, it has a peel seal here that you just peel off, and then it's got a flip lid, and then inside it has this easy open. So let's see if it easily opens, because sometimes they don't. So a little bit of difficulty, but it peeled off, which is nice. I'm okay with that. I think that helps for freshness. I'd rather it be more sealed than not sealed. It's got a good size opening. I can actually get a tablespoon measuring utensil in there. And it's very light. It's a light tan color, maybe off-white. And a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. So if you're using this in gluten-free baking, here are some measurements that you want to think about. If your gluten-free flour blend does not contain xanthan gum, then you're going to use just a little bit of this per cup of that gluten-free flour blend. And it's not an exact, but at least it gives you something to go on. For cookies, you want to use 1/4 teaspoon. For cakes and pancakes, 1/2 teaspoon. For muffins and quick breads, you want to start with 3/4 teaspoon. For breads, you want to use anywhere between 1 and 1.5 teaspoons. And for pizza doughs, you want to use about 2 teaspoons. Those are just some general guidelines per cup of flour, but it at least gives you something to start on. But this container is great. It's a plastic bottle. It's easy to get measurements in and out of. It's going to store well in the cabinet. It's not in a bag where it's going to spill all over the place. So this is now Real Foods Xanthan Gum.